Adopting a new cat or kitten is an exciting experience and rewarding journey. The first few weeks are very important to establish a strong bond between you and your cat. A change of environment is often stressful for a cat, and it can take a few weeks for the cat to feel relaxed. You need to gently settle the cat into the new life. Initially, keep your cat confined to a single room with all the necessary supplies, allowing it to become familiar to its new environment at its own pace. Take proactive steps to cat-proof your home. Start by removing any toxic plants that could pose a threat to your cat's health. Use safety locks to secure cabinets and drawers that contain cleaning supplies or other potentially dangerous items. Electrical cables and dangling blinds can also be a danger for your cat, so be sure to secure it out of reach. Install safety plugs in electrical outlets and secure window screens will further protect your snooping companion. By taking these simple precautions, you can create a safe and welcoming environment for your new feline friend to explore and thrive. Provide your new furry friend with a collection of toys, a cozy cat bed, a litter box, and a well-made scratching pole to satisfy its natural instincts and keep it entertained. CatStage's Tower of Tracks interactive cat toy is designed with 3 levels of tracks and 6 brightly colored moving balls to attract kitty's attention. Your cat will adore batting, swatting and pouncing the bright colored balls as it engages its natural instincts to hunt. Introduction of your cat to other household pets should also be done slowly and with care, ensuring a positive and stress-free experience for your cat. Cat Calming Pheromone Diffuser is the best way to keep your cat stress-free. Feliway Classic Cat Calming Pheromone Diffuser helps cats adjust to challenging situations and curbs stress-related unwanted behaviors such as spraying, peeing, scratching, and general fearfulness. Provide your cat with plenty of affection, playtime, and a consistent routine to help it feel safe and secure. Your new elegant friend will be right at home, exploring its area and bringing endless joy to your household. Maintaining your cat's health and well-being is a top priority. Schedule an appointment with your veterinarian to develop a comprehensive care plan for your cat. By taking the time to properly prepare your living space, gather the necessary supplies, and ensure a smooth transition, you'll be setting the stage for a lifelong bond with your new friend.